In this video, you'll learn how to update the eBay app on your mobile device. By following these steps, you will ensure that you have the latest features and security improvements available for the application. Start by opening the App Store on your mobile device. If you are using an Android device, this will be the Google Play Store. For iOS devices, you will access the Apple App Store. Once the App Store is open, use the search bar at the top of the screen to type in eBay. If the app does not appear automatically in your update list, this search function will help you locate it. Ensure your device is connected to the internet to facilitate the update process. After locating the eBay app in the store, look for an update button next to the app. This button may be labeled Update if a newer version is available. If you see this button, it indicates that the app has an update ready for installation. Updates can include new features, bug fixes, or important security enhancements. If the App Store provides details about the update, take a moment to review them. Understanding the changes can help you appreciate the improvements included in the new version. Once you confirm that an update is available, tap the Update button to begin the process. The download and installation of the latest version of the eBay app will commence. Depending on your internet speed, this process may take a few moments. If you have a slower connection, or if the file size of the update is large, be prepared for a longer wait. During the update, you may see a progress bar indicating how much of the download has completed. When the installation process is complete, you will receive a notification or see the update button change to indicate that the app is now updated. At this point, you can open the eBay application again to start using the latest version. The updated app will provide you with improved functionality and security features. Keeping your applications updated is important for maintaining performance and safety. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.